Hi there, students. Glimmer, glitter, glint, gleam and glisten. Okay, these are all words talking about reflections of light or shining of light. Okay, if something glimmers, it's a distant light, a light in the distance, that it's faint and wavering and moves about, but you can only just see it. If something glitters, it's sparkling. There are lots and lots of bits shining with lots of individual reflections to your eyes. The stars glittered in the sky above, not in the city, certainly. A glint is a small reflection, but it's bigger than a glimmer. Yeah? A glint of light. A sudden reflection of light. Yeah? A glimmer you just see. The glint is clearer. If something gleams, it shines brightly. The sun was gleaming off the lake. And then to glisten is to shine, but the reflected shine off a wet surface or an oily surface. So, let's go through them again. A glimmer of light at the end of the tunnel. A glimmer of hope, that's metaphoric, but just a distant, slight little bit of light. Okay, a glimmering light in the distance. Something that glitters is something that's shiny. His silver clothes glittered as if they were covered with stardust. There was a British singer, Gary Glitter, wanna be in my gang, my gang, my gang, called Gary Glitter, who turned out to be a paedophile and went to Cambodia. But to glitter, to shine, reflections of light. We also have the phrase, all that glitters is not gold. So don't assume directly that things are gold. A glint, a reflection off something. The candlelight glinted off the blade of the knife. There was a glint in his eyes, like he was thinking of a possibility or a chance. To gleam, this is a reflection of light, but a bright one. The sun gleaming off the lake. Yeah? And maybe there was a gleam in his eye. He was really happy about this. So a gleam is like a really strong glint. And then to glisten. His skin glistened in the sun with the suntan lotion that he'd put on. The dog's coat, the dog's hair glistened after I had washed it. It was shining, showing the oils. Notice, all of these are regular verbs. Glimmered, glittered, glinted, gleamed, glistened. Yeah? And they're all talking about light. Now, what about the question of formality? I would say these are neutral formality, maybe 5.5, something like that. I think you could use all of them in an informal conversation, and I think you could use all of them in a very formal document, although I think they're probably best in something like an essay or something like that. I think all of these words come from Norse, from Scandinavian countries, and I think maybe through Old German. Yeah? For example, to glimmer, we have a Swedish word glimmer. Yeah? For glitter, we have an Old Norse word glittra. With a glint, we have old Scandinavian word glent. With the gleam, we have, that comes from Old English glaem, a bright light. And then glisten, there's a Low German word, glisten. Okay, so all of these are talking about the shining of light. So a glimmer, a slight light in the distance. Glitter, lots of dots shining, each one. A glint, a reflection of something, but not very, very bright. A gleam, a reflection of something, but very bright. And then to glisten, to shine, because the light is reflected off a wet or oily surface. So I hope that has helped you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Glimmer, glitter, glint, gleam and glisten.